While we humans hurry into the day, switching on the life supports of computer, mobile, TV and radio, nature, without any input from us, quietly rises, switches on and performs. How small I am beside her quiet and seemingly insignificant performance each morning. How big we seem to be, taking over the world with our big ideas, concrete jungles and technology everywhere. I love technology, but sometimes it crowds my head too much, and that's when I go and find nature. She calms my mind, refreshes and empties it, challenges my thinking and stirs my emotions. On the 22nd of February 2011, she woke the sleeping giant in Littleton and shook my family's world in Christchurch. Through technology, I followed the devastation. It was shocking. I felt shaken like the earth. My mind scrambled. Technology intensified my shock. I wanted to hide. 3 days after the giant had woken, technology helped me hear my family's voices again. I went back to nature and thought, how can she be so opposite? Small and calm, huge and devastating, able to change lives and land in a flash. The earthquake in February has shown me that without technology my world would be difficult. More significantly though, it has shown me that, regardless of how we create and control our world, it is all small and insignificant to the power of nature.